So let's jump into the content right away, because just like how we anticipated, Bitcoin is breaking out. Bitcoin looks like on its way to break the previous high and go much higher, because if you look at this price action right now in a different time frame using different scenarios, guys, I am being realistic here. Bitcoin actually looks like it is on its way to break the previous high and is also expected to go much higher. Why? Because we know Bitcoin here in a daily time frame has already ended this corrective pattern, A, B, C corrective pattern, just like I shown here an example. If you look at this on the right hand side, you can see we have already ended this A, B, C reversal pattern, and now we could be on our way to form another bullish wave, which might look somehow like this. I mean, just like as shown in an example, after ending this corrective wave ABC, we could be preparing ourselves for another bullish continuation, which is going to bring the price not just only near to the previous high, but much higher, because it's not just only this ABC correction. After ending it, we are on our way to make a new all-time high, but parallelly Bitcoin is also following this falling channel or a bull flag formation. Yes guys, Bitcoin here in a daily time frame is also trapped inside this descending channel, where upper trend line is acting as resistance, lower trend line acting as support. But what I want you guys to look at is another parabolic move, which is somewhere around $110,000. Yes, in the medium short term, if this continuation continues and face difficulty after reaching 109 to 110,000, please do not panic. Even after a continuation around 109, 110,000, Bitcoin shows a move like this, please guys, please be aware, this might be very short-lived. This bearish continuation might be very short-lived, and price after that could be heading much higher. Just like as shown here in an example, I mean, I am actually expecting another very parabolic move to play out once we overcome the resistance around 109, 110,000. And according to this descending channel, if this continuation continues, then Bitcoin is expected to go above 120,000. But if we look at this price structure here in a different way, you can see Bitcoin parallelly is also following another bullish continuation pattern known as descending broadening wedge. And according to this descending broadening wedge, Bitcoin has officially tested the previous resistance line, which held us. Now we might be preparing ourselves for a continuation, which could look somehow like this. I mean, once we overcome the resistance, which is holding us around 109, 110,000, right? This upper trend line resistance from falling channel, we are expecting a very parabolic move to play out. And if this best case scenario plays out for Bitcoin, then 130, 140,000 is where we are expecting this uptrend to continue, because it's not just only this descending broadening wedge, it's not just only this falling channel or this ABC continuation, but even according to our weekly time frame, I mean, in a weekly time frame, Bitcoin is officially in an uptrend. I mean, just like I shown you an example, we have officially broken out of the resistance line, and now we are on our way to form another move, which might look somehow like this. I mean, just like I shown here in an example, we have already ended this consolidation phase. Right now, we could be on our way to make a move, which might look somehow like this. And according to this continuation pattern, if that plays out, then you can see 130, 140,000 is on the line. And not just only this, guys, not just only this, even in a smaller time frame. I mean, if you look at this price action here in an hourly time frame, Bitcoin has broken out from this small falling channel or a descending channel. We have already started with this breakout, and if this continuation continues, according to the smaller time frame, you can see Bitcoin for now is expected to show a continuation at least around 109, 110,000. And I just showed you with this example, 109, 110,000 is one very important resistance line. But once we break out of it, the upcoming days for Bitcoin is going to be very bullish. So for this month, the end of June, we are expecting Bitcoin to test the first bullish target, which sits around $113,000. Yes guys, before ending the month of June, we are expecting Bitcoin to come across this 113,000 before looking for another opportunity. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here with the help of this leading indicator, in the medium short term, 109, 110,000 could be on the line. But once we overcome that resistance, the next area according to our leading indicator sits around $113,000. So this $113,000 will be looked as our upcoming target before ending the month of June. And by testing the arrow line, we know Bitcoin is officially going to print another ascending CPR, just like this one here, which only gets formed during uptrend. So you can see, guys, looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, Bitcoin officially looks very, very bullish. And bullish because our indicator, which was holding us, CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, Williams alligator indicator, all are turning bullish. And beside these indicators which previously rejected us, MACD has officially turned bullish, RSI has officially turned bullish, even the T3CCI has officially turned bullish, confirming this move. So that's why any sort of a pullback, please do not get fooled. It is going to be a trap, and price after that is expected to continue higher. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that doesn't matter whichever scenario plays out, Bitcoin has officially entered this very, very bullish phase, which will be bringing us near to the new all-time high and even higher. So in case of doubt, what I'm suggesting you guys to do is to zoom out. So guys, this was some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And last, guys, before I conclude this video, if you haven't claimed these free bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then definitely check the video description, because all the links to the exchanges are given in the description down below. If you are an experienced trader who want to take advantage of this market volatility, then definitely check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.